Hi, we're Maddie and Nico, and we are turning this empty cargo van into this tiny home on wheels. We have no building experience, but we'll take you along each step as we transform our 2020 Ford Transit van.
Yesterday we went to Home Depot and we picked up some more of our plywood that we used on these walls. And today the plan is to put walls on our doors. We've decided that we're not going to worry about this whole door because it just makes it harder, and it doesn't really matter because our bed sits this high anyways, so the only time you're ever going to see down here is when these doors are open and we're getting in the garage, which doesn't really matter to us. So yeah, we're basically going to make some sort of U shape up and down right there. So what I just did is just cut a piece of wood 48 by 32, and then we took a piece of cardboard. Pro tip, save all your cardboard. This is from our solar panels. It's nice and big. Cut the same size cardboard, and we're going to use this as our template. So we're just going to stick it up there and cut it down. It's a fun process.
So what we've done is we've put a piece of cardboard up and closed the door. I've got a pencil with just a thin piece of wood taped on there. This is my scribe. We tried it out before putting the cardboard on, and we felt like that was a good distance for our scribe. And so now I'm gonna go around and just have the scribe rest on the rubber van part and trace it out. My dad's got a fire going.
Alright, why don't we just cut this?
Okay, we're gonna cut this, and then if we have to trim the wood down, we will.
Alright, so we've cut our template out. We cut the wood with the template on top of it, and now we're just trying to fine tune it. Here's what we have so far. We just need to take these edges in a little bit so it sits within like this groove, but up there obviously. So what we did is we clamped it on to the van. We lined up our straight edge on this line, and then we actually closed the door and then scribed this line so you can see our pencil line. It's not perfect, but it's good enough.
Okay, so now I'm tracing the window shape out. We've made a small hole here.
Just cut this hole.
We made a small hole here, and now I'm gonna trace it.
It's another rainy day here down in Santa Cruz, and we are making our second door panel for this door. We recorded this side, so we probably won't do too much recording today. Next up on finishing touches is putting this panel on. I've got it clamped up to the door right now. I just bought some self-tapping screws, and I'm just gonna drill it right into the door, and then I'll take them out, put a little paint in the holes that I just drilled, and then put it back up. So here's the end result. You can see the wall panel that we put up. Just a couple screws, one right there, there's one in there, two here, and two there. It doesn't fit quite perfectly because I kind of suck at jigsawing. But if you have a steadier hand, you can probably get this done easier. And also, you want to avoid this step as a whole. You don't really need the door panel there. I just thought it looked nice. Here's the view from the inside. Just thought I'd show you this as well. It just kind of matches our walls now, and it looks a lot better. It'd be nice to put a cap on these big metal parts right here. One thing I would like to do is just paint our screws white so they completely blend in. But yeah, it looks pretty nice, and it was fairly easy. I know you can buy panels, so if you want to skip this step completely, you could just buy panels, or I know you can buy templates. I'll put links to those products down below if you want to check those out. That's going to be the end of this video. If you learned anything, please give it a like, and you can subscribe to our channel if you want to learn how we built out this entire van. The next video in the series will be plumbing, so if you want to learn how we plumb this whole van, stay tuned.